What is culture? For me, culture is a way of life and recognizing how a group of people behave or a community. For me, culture is important because that is how you define a certain race, and I think that is how respect is being created by recognizing the diversity and differences of each and every one. And to sum it up, it is the uniqueness of being a community. Why is culture important? I think culture is important because that is how you define a community with their vision and their endeavors. And I think living in Aruba for 18 years, I would say culture is very, very alive and real here, and not forgetting my own culture where I came from. And I think it's beautiful to be able to assimilate and be productive in a community that you have embraced after a long while. And why would I support organization or foundation like Go Cultura? I would support this kind of foundation because this is very unique organization that really provides platform for the people, for them to be able to look beyond what they have in their resources and look beyond in the future what they can be able to improve. And I think, you know, providing a platform is very, very challenging, and with that people can also learn and pick up, you know, those tools that they would be able to improve their standard of living.